Many think it's safe to assume that a strict Islamic censor board would mean more harm than good for a medium as visually bracing as cinema. However, not being allowed to use crowd-pleasing tactics like racy dance numbers has, in a way, forced Iranian directors to focus on the nuances that make a quality film. The festival showed Ali Wazirian's God is Near yesterday, dubbing the movie to overcome a language barrier. And, judging by audience responses, it was a hit.
इसमें बुनियादी फ़र्क ये है कि यहाँ इस्लामी कल्चर भी साथ साथ दिखा रहे हैं, तो दूसरे फिल्मों में फहाशी और यानियत ज़्यादा होती है.
The film dealt with poverty, alienation, and spirituality, illustrating how these realities hinder the progression of a stereotypical on-screen romance. So what makes the audience prefer this as opposed to this? Could it be that certain factions of the Pakistani audience want more than the mythic escapism of mainstream Lollywood, where even the simplest village girl turns into a hip-shaking siren at the drop of a hat? Perhaps the quest for cultural realism is more prevalent in the Pakistani audience than previously expected.
बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बनी हुई है, एक घरेलू माहौली फिल्में बनी हुई है, माशरे के हिसाब से बनी हुई है.
इसका मकसद यहाँ इनकलाब इस्लामी के बाद जो फिल्म के जो फील्ड में जो डेवलपमेंट हुई उसको दिखाना और इस तवस्सुर को ख़त्म करना कि जैसे इस्लामिक रिवोल्यूशन के बाद इनकलाब के बाद वहाँ कोई ऐसे सख्त इस्लामी जो है वो गवर्नमेंट है कि जो फिल्म की मुखालिफत है और आपके जो इसकी एक्टिविटीज़ पे पाबंदी है, तो इस तवस्सुर को ख़त्म करना इसका मकसद है.
With marked appreciation from filmmakers like Austria's Golden Globe winning Michael Haneke, it becomes increasingly clear that Iranian cinema has progressed from entertainment to art. Unum Muneer, DawnNews.